next one, Lath and plaster ceiling repair. I'll be doing this with hotlime. Just get cracked on, rip it off. All ripped down, just got a lot of making good to do. A lot of cleaning to do. Just going to blend a bit in above the door, but the rest is pretty sound. Right, let's get some Laths in. Mix going in, culbux, hotlime, NHL 3.5, horsehair and sand. Blend it all together. Job's a good one. Let's get on it. Make the mix ratio in the plastic tub and then transferred it to a metal one, because if not, I'll just melt the bucket. All lathed up. Just gotta give it a spray with water and then add the hotlime. Oh, it's bubbling away lovely. Right, let's get it on. That's first coat on, all dried, left it for a couple of days. I'm going to come back and I'm here to do the top coat. What is kiln drying sand and I'm putty. Let's get it on. This is the ingredients you need for a Lath and plaster mix. We have sand, lime putty and hair. We mix them all together and we get that. Nice mixed in together, nice combination. Right, that's all on. Just got to leave it dry for a bit and then I'll give it a flatten over. Let's get on it. All done, all smoothed out and complete. Just have a little walk round so you can see. Thank you ever so much for watching this one. Like and subscribe for more content. And I'll see you on the next one. Ciao for now.